Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to send an ACH payment on the Chase app in 2025. If you've ever wondered how to transfer money electronically without the hassle of checks or wires, you're in the right place. ACH payments are a secure way to move funds between bank accounts, and with the Chase app's updated features for 2025, it's faster than ever. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Chase app installed on your phone. Updates often include new security features and smoother interfaces, so head to your app store and update if needed. Once you're good to go, open the app and log in with your credentials. For added security, you might see a two-factor authentication prompt. Go ahead and verify that. Now, let's get to the fun part. Tap on the Payments or Transfers tab at the bottom of the screen. Look for the ACH transfer option. It's usually right there under Send Money. If it's your first time, you might need to add a recipient. Just hit Add New and enter their bank details, like the routing and account numbers. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Next, enter the amount you want to send. The app will show you any fees or estimated arrival times. ACH payments typically take 1 to 3 business days in 2025, thanks to faster processing upgrades. You can even schedule it for a future date if needed. Once you're set, review the details carefully, then hit Confirm and authorize the payment with your PIN or biometric login. And just like that, you're done. You'll get a confirmation notification, and you can always check the transaction history in the app. Remember, always keep an eye on your account for any unauthorized activity and report it immediately. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance hacks. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.